Hello everyone. So very quickly in this video I'll be sharing with you this very yummy collagen boosting smoothie that will boost your collagen levels and leave your skin looking so youthful, fresh, clearer and healthy. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient you use is either pear or apple, so whichever you can lay your hands on. They are loaded with vitamin C to boost collagen production for that youthfulness to the skin. Plus vitamin C is a form of antioxidant to fight free radical effects on the skin, causing skin issues like premature aging, hyperpigmentation, blemishes, and leave your skin looking so youthful and fresher. So what you need is to get your one apple or pear, wash thoroughly and slice into some good sizes that can get into your blender to get all the nutrients into your system for utmost benefits. So this is it, one pear. So I used pear today. The second ingredient you want to add here, which contains high amounts of vitamin A, which helps to promote like the rejuvenation of your skin cells, leaving it so youthful, is carrots. Plus the beta carotene in carrots leave your skin looking so fresh, vibrant and more beautiful. So carrots are very good at improving your skin's complexion, your skin's youthfulness, plus the beauty of your skin. You load up on vitamin A, vitamin E, and like this is so nourishing. So I'll be using one carrot here, so you just slice up into some good sizes and voila, this is it, one carrot. So these are the first two ingredients. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be one mango, loaded with vitamin E and C to boost collagen levels and elastin, leaving your skin looking so firm, youthful and beautiful. If you notice, I use a lot of mangoes in my recipes because they are very good to nourish the skin, fight aging, like leave the skin looking so healthy and youthful. So this is it, one mango, wash thoroughly and slice up into some good sizes that can fit into the blender, and this is it. This is the third ingredient. So I'll be adding in some orange just to get in some of more of the vitamin C in here. Citrus fruits nourish and freshen up the skin. Like if you want your skin so fresh, youthful, avoid that dryness leading to aging, flakiness on the skin. You want to use citrus fruits to give you that fresh radiance to your skin. It is so nice. Yeah, so I'll be adding one orange here and I'll be adding one lemon as well. So this lemon is for two reasons: to help your body break down the possible little sugars in these fruits. Like you want to add a little bit of lemon when you are consuming sweet fruits, just to help you break your system to break down any little sugars in them. Yeah, plus it is very good as well because it is loaded with vitamin C to freshen up your skin pores, boost your immune system and leave your skin looking so healthy and youthful as well. So this is the juice from one orange and one lemon. What you want to do, go ahead and put your ingredients in your blender. I usually start with the carrot because it is harder, so it blends from the bottom and I load up the softer ingredients on top. So as you can see, the pear is a little bit harder than the mango and it is below it. Now you want to add the juice from your one orange, one lime rather, I keep calling lime lemon, or is it so the next thing you want to do is to blend. I added in some ice cubes just to have this kind of chilled in the mouth, fresh in the mouth. Yeah, so I add in a little bit of ice cubes. It will not give that cool icy sensation to your mouth, but rather that freshness to it. So yeah, this is it. And a cup early morning on an empty stomach, another cup at bedtime. This is so nourishing, boost your collagen levels and leave your skin looking so plump, youthful and radiant. Like the secret to maintaining a healthy, youthful skin is boosting collagen levels, because as I always say, as from 25 and above, your skin slows down at making collagen and elastin. Your skin starts aging, flapping, so you need to boost them yourself by eating foods that will help you boost your collagen levels, so you can maintain a youthful agelessness to your skin and look so amazing. So this is one of my secrets to boosting collagen levels and having my skin looking so youthful as I age. And yeah, so this is something you want to try, and trust me, you will love it. It is so yummy, as well as very effective at treating your skin. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, looking youthful as we age. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to consume your water. You notice I reiterate enough on the importance of drinking water. Consuming a lot of water, or enough water your system can accommodate, freshens up your skin as well, fights aging on the skin, fights dryness leading to premature aging on the skin. So many benefits, but I will just stick to the skin for today. Yeah, so thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.